Okay. Construction and building materials. Analysis of the measurement of transmission loss in rigid buildings materials with a standard weight tube. The object is we explore the limits of the use of the Kunst tube and transfer matrix method for the measurement of transmission loss with common building materials. To the count. Test this device for measuring acoustic properties of material. It's especially will suited to measure. First, the one hand the absorption coefficient of sound avoiding the materials. The transmission loss of materials intended for sound insulation mufflers. The measure of sound absorption has two parallel methods complementary to each other. First is the round method, and second is the two microphone or transfer fusion method. The equation is represented in the video and say that LA stands for the incident sound intensity and RR is the reflect sound intensity. Advantage of weight tube. It is a simpler device thus much more affordable for small laboratories. It uses small samples of the materials to be tested, and finally it's not conditioned by the background noise in the laboratory surroundings. It is the most widespread method for measuring sound absorption and impedance of material as the reference show. Two runs method be utilized for measure the transmission loss of materials that it is intrinsic sound insulation capabilities, which is defined by the next equation. Is designated to measure the sound insulation of complement buildings elements such as wall and window, etc. Difference between the methods. First is that in the impedance tube, the sound impedance of the test, especially in a perpendicular direction, only will the room method provides randomization of the sound. And second, it's not possible to compare the transmission loss measured from impedance tube of different diameters. Method following with each material. First, sample preparation. Second, mounting the samples in the tube. And third, tests. Results. In the table 1 gathers the main information of the sample, the mean X and standard deviation X of each both in the decibels. The whole set of data is displayed in picture 2, where some insight is gained into it. There are two distinct characteristics of data in the table of features: the high values of the measured transmission loss and the high variability in these values. Discussion. These results led us to reset the experimental device in the samples, regardless the actual value of transmission loss given by the data, because the variability shows the method to be used for the inbound materials and all the same method in your experiment. Any further study with this data will be managed. And in conclusion, this method is very affordable alternative to the two-rooms methods and thus should be validated for rigid buildings materials and new windows unmeasured capabilities would be at the reach of small acoustic laboratories.